got 2 items and everything. So she get irate.
She didn't want to pay.
So she get irate, and then she was yelling and screaming and everything.
I have to take it down.
Yes. Okay, stand right there. No, I'm being very serious. Like, it's not a joke.
The 10th of September 2025, Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, Broward County, Florida. Spirit Airlines gate disturbance, resulting in misdemeanor arrest.
What's up? What do we got?
I need this guest to come up the aircraft, because when she come in, we told her to pay for the carry-on bag. She got 2 items and everything. So she get irate.
She didn't want to pay.
She doesn't want to pay. That wasn't even the issue. Yeah. So she get irate, and then she was yelling and screaming and everything, and then she told this one, and then technically she went on board by
That's
force.
her bag right there?
Yeah, So we told her to go back.
How did she get on the plane?
She went by force. Even
She
we
just
told her
walked
not
by.
to go.
Yes.
And now she won't
board. She didn't board.
Now she won't get off? Or you didn't ask her yet to get off?
Yeah, she needed to get off. I want her to come off.
No, but did you ask her already to come off? She said
She
no?
said no. She said she's not coming.
Okay, whose is this?
That's us. BS will come on board. The BS
21A?
21 Alpha.
What color
Her name is Jackie.
What color shirt she wearing?
Like a blue sweater or something.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pardon?
Are you Jackie? I'm gonna need you to step off the airplane and come speak with me outside. Whoever you're traveling with is, I guess, free to stay or come, whichever way.
Thank you.
Let's step up here out of the doorway here. What happened today? Tell me what's going on. Come up here. I just want to get away from the
That
plane.
lady is so rude. I bought my gift in the shop. When I booked my ticket, like on the way in, the lady said we have a personal item. We don't need to check the bag. I bought a gift for my son. I'm going to New York. It's a little toy box. And they asked me, and I told them I bought this gift in the airport. And my husband was begging her for me to bring the gift with me. And they started following me, harassing me for a gift. I'm like, ma'am, I just bought this gift.
Because they said, well, because now it's 2 items instead of 1.
But it was a gift box.
3 barber 30. I'm
So
25 without parties and everything.
I left the box for them.
She actually left the
I left the box for them because I'm not going to pay $90 for a $30 gift. They can have it. And I left, and she still called you to come follow me.
Okay, so you had that. You had that box.
My kid's toy.
And when she gave you a hard time because it was 2
She
items, you
harassed
said,
me.
screw
She
it, I'm
literally
just going to
harassed
leave
me.
it.
Stopped me from going to the door following me.
Also, just I don't mean to point anything out because I don't want to pay. But I'm holding a toy in my hand, sir. She was singled out for I don't know what reason. So.
Okay, I understand. So here's the thing. She's saying that then she told you not to get on board, and you just kind of pushed your way through and
I
got
left the
on
box
board.
and came.
You actually haven't even scanned your ticket
I
and
didn't
checked
scan
in.
my ticket. That's how they know. I left the box and came to catch my flight because I don't want to miss it. I left the box because that's what she wants. If I give her what she wanted, I don't need no problems. I don't want to pay $90 for a $30 gift. If she wants the box, if it's that serious, they have the box, and I just went on by my business. She still followed through, even though I'm not violent, I'm not causing problems, I'm not saying nothing. She still called the police.
Okay. Just go ahead and wait here with my partner, and I'll be right back. Hi.
Darlene is right there.
Okay. Do you know what we're doing? Is she rebooking? Is she refunded?
We have to ask Darlene. Hold on.
My supervisor said they're not going to go.
They're not going to go what?
They're not going to fly.
Right, no, I knew that. The question was, are they getting refunded or rebooked?
They're going to get rebooked, but if they don't want, they're not
Do they have check bags underneath this plane?
I have to double check. I gave operations there. And I have to double check. So if you don't pull back.
And another article on
they
the
have check
Jeffrey
bags on
shooting
the
going down on S2.
Huh?
No, you have no check bag.
No check bags.
No, yes. She refused. She just actually about to push me to go on the airplane. We asked her to come off. She said no, she's not going to come off.
You didn't check any bags on this plane, right? No. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to take your stuff and your stuff. You're going to grab the box sets over there. They're going to rebook you on another flight with a different crew, and then you'll fly home. They're not going to let you on this plane.
Why I have to be
Ma'am,
here?
I don't make that decision. It's not up to me. Spirit Airlines doesn't like the way that you acted.
My
what
attitude?
happened. No, the way you acted and what happened, whatever, they don't like it. So here's the thing. That's for you to take up with them, between you and Spirit
So they're
Airlines.
sensitive because
So
I'm
they're saying you're
upset that I
going
wouldn't take my box?
Ma'am, please don't argue with me. I'm trying to make this really, really simple. You're not going to get on this plane. They're going to rebook you. You'll be allowed to fly at a later time this afternoon or whatever, whenever the flight is that they put you on. That's it.
And I got to deal with her to book me? Can I find somebody else?
I'm going to stand here with you the whole
Please,
time.
'cause
Okay.
it's
No, she can go to guest services.
Or you could go to guest services either way, which is at Terminal 4 in the customer service at the ticket desk. Sir, the sarcasm isn't needed. Start headed that way.
It's needed.
You got to go to Terminal 4 to the Spirit check-in ticket counter. Ma'am,
Oh yeah,
Is it yours?
You're gonna have to take that and dispose of it or do whatever you're gonna do with it.
it's your gift. Take it with you.
I'm going to fly with Spirit and not going to allow it. I cannot fly, so I can't even book another flight. She literally
God,
trying to
you said I
sabotage
just talked to her.
sabotage me because of ego.
Okay, you have your ID?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't do nothing to that lady today. I didn't do nothing to her.
Thank you. Alright. So, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead.
Actually, no.
Turn on 911 open line.
No, you stay here. Okay. Do me a favor. Take your jacket off. Take your purse off. Turn and face the wall.
Am I being arrested?
Yes. Turn and face the wall. Place your hands behind your back. Thank you. For breaching. Breaching the gate. Your ticket wasn't scanned before you entered into the jet bridge. It's a felony offense.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
The lady scanned it. Ma'am, are you serious?
I'm being very serious.
She scanned my ticket before I left. That's how they were able to see my box.
I understand that, but they're saying that the ticket was not scanned, that you barged onto the jet bridge.
Oh,
That's a breach.
man.
Okay?
Please.
So, the rest of your stuff, do you want the rest of your stuff to go to him? Huh? I'm asking you, your jewelry, do you want it to go to him?
Yes.
Okay,
But ma'am,
stand right there.
I'm going to jail for... Come on, man.
No, I'm being very serious. Like, it's not a joke.
What's ID?
Oh, I gave it back to her. I have.
How long am I going?
It's in the last page that's in there.
I'm not a troublemaker. I'm not trying to...
I understand that, but unfortunately you made a bad decision today. That's all it is. It's just today.
What's going to happen to me?
You're going to go to jail. You're going to be processed and you're going to go to jail.
For how long?
I don't know until you can make bond.
You taking me to jail? I
Yeah.
didn't even commit a crime.
I will take your purse. Your purse can go with you. The rest of that stuff you're going to leave with
You
him.
can have my purse.
You don't want your ID or your
Take
phone?
all my stuff.
All of your stuff?
Yes,
You
you
sure?
can have my stuff.
Okay.
Because I have to call you.
Okay. Okay.
Level here. So,
All right. Okay.
Evil shit. Wow, you guys so upset with me. What did I say that made you
I'm not upset, baby.
Yeah,
My
that's,
pressure is low.
yeah, so what happened? Because I came to get my ticket and you decided to arrest me. Why?
No, it's not a decision. You made that decision when you breached.
I did not breach. They scanned my ticket. They scanned my ticket. 2 people took my ticket from my hands. The first lady in the front and that lady. She took my ticket before.
They saying you didn't.
So how long am I going to be in jail?
I just told you until you're able to make bond.
You're 42?
Yeah.
And this is a felony charge?
Yes. Anything you do at the airport is a felony. This is a government building.
Yeah?
Yes.
So am I going to see a judge today?
Maybe. If you get to jail in enough time, you'll make bond court for the morning time.
So I was feeling like,
More than likely, yeah.
I'm not I never committed no crime. I'm not a criminal. I'm going to jail.
I'll be bringing my vehicle around to upper level
I don't know what to tell you.
This is sad. Like, it's going to be a lot of trauma for me.
Yeah, just have a meet us at the crosswalk.
We're going out the exit right here.
Just because somebody don't like my attitude, I get to go to jail. That's a law?
No, I just told you what happened. I just explicitly
No, this lady
explained to
don't
you,
like my
though.
attitude, so she's lying to put me in jail. Literally. He had a box in his hand. It's my attitude. Because you take my kid's toy and I'm upset. I didn't say nothing to her.
Ma'am.
I'm gonna be 10-6.
So for a crime like this, is there jail time?
It could be punishable up to like a year of jail time, felony time. Do me a favor, sit so your feet are going to be outside because I have to take your anklets off. Hold on, I'm still on. Okay.
He was cool, handled. He was cool. I said, okay, I understand. All right. I was surprised. I thought he was gonna get.
All right, you're gonna have to go in his vehicle. We're gonna switch out your cuffs, and we're also gonna put you in the back of his car. So come out with me. Step all the way out of the doorway.
Thank you.
We're going to this car right here. Now, I'm going to give you an opportunity to set your hands, okay? Put your hands together like you're praying. You cannot. You cannot. By our policy, yeah. There's nothing that we can do about that. That's not our policy. So if you want to put your hands together like you're praying, it'll be a lot more comfortable. You want me to put the seatbelt on?
Florida Statute Section 810.08 defines trespass in a conveyance as willful entry without authorization or remaining in a conveyance after a lawful warning to depart. Both elements must be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Threshold legal question was, the boarding pass electronically scanned, a confirmed scan constitutes express authorization to board, negating the unauthorized entry element of Section 810.08. Electronic boarding records would be determinative in court. Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Probable cause is assessed on a totality of circumstances. Multiple airline witnesses reporting the same conduct satisfies this standard under Florida Statute Section 901.15 for a warrantless arrest. 49 U.S.C. Section 44902, air carriers may refuse transport to any passenger deemed a safety risk. This authority is subject to non-discrimination requirements under 49 U.S.C. Section 40127 and Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. Verbal conduct directed at officers including profanity is protected by the First Amendment. Speech and attitude alone cannot constitute the actus reus of a criminal charge. Florida Statute Section 810.082C. Unarmed trespass in a conveyance is a second-degree misdemeanor. Maximum 60 days. Florida Statute Section 877.03 disorderly conduct carries the same classification. Neither charge is a felony. Characterizing them as such to a subject in custody is a material misstatement of law. 49 U.S.C. Section 46314, unauthorized entry into a secured airport area carries up to 1 year a federal misdemeanor level offense, not a felony. Felony classification under this statute requires entry for the purpose of committing another felony. No such allegation was made in this case. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. A full custodial arrest for a minor offense does not violate the Fourth Amendment where probable cause exists, regardless of whether the underlying offense is a misdemeanor. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. Soft, empty hand control applied here is within all applicable use of force standards. Bond set at $2,650 is consistent with Broward County misdemeanor schedule, not a felony bond threshold. This figure independently confirms the second-degree misdemeanor nature of the charges filed. Lesson: when informing a subject of charges during arrest, legal accuracy is a procedural obligation. A person in custody makes decisions about invoking rights, seeking counsel, and assessing bail based on information provided by the arresting officer. Misrepresenting charge classification, even absent bad intent, undermines due process integrity.